Yeah, that dreaded 4-word sentence, and it's not, please accept my offer. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have another What Sold video for you. This one hurts, and not because of what's sold, it's because what was returned. So we'll get into the return in a little bit, but I want to show you some items that we sold in our eBay store. But first, if this is your first time here, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit the bell notifications too, so that you are notified when we post new videos. Now, this What's Sold video, I'm going to show you some items that sold in our eBay store and possibly our Poshmark store. Not too sure if we'll get sales on that. We have been getting about one a week. But these sales go from February 21st to February 27th. We usually try to judge them between Monday and Sunday. Sunday's is the big day where we try to catch up on the orders. So, I don't want to keep you anymore. Let's get into these orders. So the first order, I am not even going to get up out of my seat. This was right in my desk. This is the Ken Griffey Jr. 2022 Topps Series 1 Super Short Print. You can see right here, it is the photo variation. The regular card hasn't blown a bubble. This one has them running out of the smoke. When I pulled this card, there was only one on eBay, and it was listed for about $424 with a best offer. I had the second one that ended up on eBay. So I started it out a little bit lower than that, and then he was just in his price. I figured, well, my wife figured, she threw it out. Why don't you put it up for auction, and why don't you set the price? Thought that was a great idea. Well, the auction went on. I did an auction for 3 days. We had almost 40 watchers on it, and it ended for $93 plus shipping for this card. I hope it's going to somebody that's going to really enjoy it. I mean, I am a Ken Griffey Jr. fan, but hey, for 93 bucks, I'll take it. And the next thing I am so glad to see finally get out of here was 4 bottles of this Regina Professional Carpet Cleaner, carpet shampoo. 4 bottles. There's 2 here, 2 here. Grand total 4 bottles. We had about 10 bottles of this that we picked up at a church yard sale. All brand new. It's older. The date on it's from 1992. These are, people want these. People love them. They can't find them anymore, so they buy them on eBay. So keep your eyes out if you're going to an estate sale, yard sale, garage sale, whatnot. If you find these, pick them up. We picked up a box of about, there was probably about 15 of them in there, I think, and a bunch of other stuff for a total of $10. Now, we sold some of these a little bit higher, but I finally wanted to get rid of these last 4. Somebody made an offer of $4.01 for each of them. So it came to about 12 bucks. Then shipping. So super happy to get them out of here, and it opens up another box. So the next card going out is Gus Wilder 2020 Bowman Chrome Dawn of the Glory Mojo autograph, certified right here. It's also numbered up here. Focus. And it will not focus on that to save its life, will it? Well, you guys are going to take my 13 out of 25. There you go. It did focus. But yeah, we picked this up with the Dave Parker Auto that also sold in the last What Sold video. We ended up getting $8 plus shipping for this one. I was kind of shocked it sold for so much, but it seems like everybody wants Gus. And yeah, so if you happen to see any Gus Wilder cards, maybe pick him up. He might be a really good player soon. Okay, we sold some nail polish. This is the Gel Strong Nail Polish Grapefruity number G123. We picked up a huge lot of nail polish. We sold these for a grand total of $5.96 for 4 bottles. There's 1 here and 3 inside this box, plus shipping, so not too bad. It's still, yeah, they're moving slowly. Maybe I should rant more. I just ranted about Walmart clearance. I ended these last night. I woke up and I sold one of them. I sold a pack of dry erase markers for $1.99 plus shipping. We got these at Walmart for like a quarter. I figured, if they don't sell, we could use them. But still, we have a lot. We have 10 more packs of these. So, glad to see one of them finally get out of here.
Okay, next up we're heading to the Koa Band. I think it's one of these. I think they're both the same thing. Actually, let me double check. Yeah, both the same thing. One of them sold. We still have one more left. But we got $6.99 plus shipping for this. I feel like we got this at the thrift store. Maybe. Maybe this might be from the Amazon bin store, actually. Yep, $6.99 plus shipping. Okay, so after I shipped the first item, packaged it up, took it to the post office, the buyer came back and bought the other one. $6.99 plus shipping. So 2 of these sold within I don't know, 10 hours of each other. So pretty cool to see that going out. And next up, we have a pennant going out. This is I think it's a 30-inch pennant. It's a Pitt Panther pennant. Let me see if I can pull it up on the screen real quick and show you. So that's it right there. Pitt Panther football. You guys have not even seen the video yet that I found this in. I found this at a local thrift store and paid 99 cents for it. I thought, man, this is a good one. I had it listed for $24.99. I got an offer within 5 minutes for $20. Turned it down, just told them, said, hey, it's only been listed for 15 minutes. I can go 23 bucks. They bought it, they paid. So super happy to see it go out. Look for these vintage felt pennants, especially ones made by Collegiate Pacific. They seem to do really well, especially if you look up the sold comps. My lighting's horrible. But if you look up the sold comps on Collegiate Pacific felt pennants, you won't be disappointed. Okay, we are going down to the Ocean City bin. Let me move this golf bag real quick. Another thing I gotta list. This bin's not too full. But here it is right here. The second chapter of Axe. 2 disc set right here. Give a good picture. We got a total of $19.99 for this. Somebody made us an offer on it. We had it listed at $24.99. We took an offer of $19.99 plus shipping. Keep your eyes out for these. Anything Bible on CD does really well for us. So I always take a look at it. We have 10 cents invested into that CD. We picked it up at a church sale. When I see the Bible stuff, anything Bible on CD, I'm picking it up. Now, Bible on tapes sometimes does not do as well, but the Bible on CD does really well. Even something like this where it's just part of the Bible, just a chapter of Acts, and it still moves. So keep an eye out for that. Also, any religious books on CD, take a look at it. And 9 times out of 10, you're going to pick them up because they're probably going to be cheap enough that you're going to pick it up. Okay, next up, we have a Patrick Bailey 2020 Bowman Chrome Draft Auto. This is number 206 out of $4.99. We end up getting $26 plus shipping for this one. Really cool. Glad to see this one finding a new home. I guess he's supposed to be a pretty good prospect, up and coming. His autograph's kind of not to write home about, but somebody likes him. And then we have Ian Bedell 2020 Bowman Chrome. From the St. Louis Cardinals rookie auto. This one is not numbered. We ended up getting $3.01 plus shipping for this one. Then heading over here to the wrestlers, Nikolai Volkov is finding a new home. This guy's heading out $7.50 plus shipping. He is it's clean. This figure's clean. We picked this up in a Whatnot auction. I don't even remember who the seller was now. We picked up him and Iron Sheik. And both of them sold pretty quickly. So a little bit of cleanup. These guys clean up very easily. Just scrub them up. This is from 1984. So keep your eyes out for these ones, as I've said in previous videos. And then we're heading up here to go get a puck. I think it's a Winnipeg Jets puck. Pull these down real quick. And it's pretty heavy. Let's see. Winnipeg Jets should be the only one we have. Yep, right here. $3.01 heading out. That's our last puck. We still have 2 Coyotes, Hurricanes, actually 3 Coyotes, 3 Kings, and a Minnesota Wild. So that's all we have left for our pucks. Okay, next we're heading to the Disney bin, which I think I have it labeled wrong on there. It says Disney, but I think it's Disney World. It should be right here. Is this it? Nope, that's not it. It should be here. Let's see. I'll find it eventually. Okay, found it. Peter Pan, Return to Neverland. Demo tape. Still factory sealed. Still even has the Paramount right there. I think it's Paramount. No, that's Disney. I don't know why I was thinking Paramount. But still sealed. $14.99 plus shipping. We probably have 50 cents into this, if not less, maybe $1 or less. So really cool. Finally heading out of here. Shocked it lasted this long, but sealed VHS tapes. There is money to be made. Okay, next up is a multivitamin mask set. It's right in front right here. Get this thing out here. It's a 5-pack, $8 plus shipping. I honestly cannot even tell you where we got set. Probably a yard sale. We are heading to the Ohio UP bin. I think it's back over here. Yep, right here. Let's see. Ship it right on top. It is. That's a colander with this. It's like a blue. I think they call this the Aqua Mint. $8.24 plus shipping. This one's heading out. This one's a cool one. It's older, really good shape though. Actually, back to the Ohio UP bin. It is this big box, or big bag. It's a Mr. Bubble, bubble bath, but just a bunch of different bubble stuff. $13.99 plus shipping. That's gonna go priority mail because it is pretty heavy. Oh, now we're going up here to the pewter figures. All the pewter figures are listed, so all these pewter figures are listed. We are looking for, it's an elephant fire truck, so it's a single one, so it shouldn't be too hard to find, which I say that, but let's see. We'll find it here. You guys might see it before me. Oh, I thought that was it. So it's a single one. Is it? There it is. Right there. It's an elephant on a fire truck from 1987. Spoon Teaks. $9.99 plus shipping. These are really cool. Keep your eyes out for pewter figures. Some of them do have a lot of value. Next, we're going to Disney World. I wish. We're going to grab this hat here. It's the Tour Championship hat from Pinehurst. Pink hat. We have about $1 into it. $5 plus shipping. I don't think it was ever worn. I think it was used for display purposes only. And then we're going to the Magic Kingdom to go get some gloves. Let's see. Hopefully these are easy to find. It should be. Just a box of gloves. But nothing's never easy in this bin. Yep, right here. Playtex Living rubber gloves. I think it's a 2-pack. Yep, medium, 2 pairs. $5.99 plus shipping. These actually came from Walmart. We've had them a while. Like I said before, we're done with that. I know we said we were done with Walmart clearance, but we do have a video coming out from Walmart clearance that we filmed a while ago that just never made it out. So when you see that, that's why. So this next thing going out is the Alexander Barkov 2020 21 Upper Deck Allure piece of game used jersey and an auto. This is a pretty cool card. We pulled this ourselves. It is numbered on the back 6 out of 25. So if you're a Florida Panther fan, this card's perfect for you, or a collector. I like Barkov, but I wanted to move this instead. So we ended up taking an offer of $24 plus shipping on this. So happy to see this go out. It only lasted a couple days. His autograph is kind of horrible. This will make a nice spot in somebody's collection. So this return was one of those ones where it bothered me. It was probably our biggest return to date. It's those words you just don't want to see, that a buyer wants to return an item. We sold our security cameras that we had up at our house because we got some different ones, and we shipped them out. I took the pictures, and about a month later, probably about 26 days left, which as a seller, we offer 30-day free returns. The buyer reached out and said they wanted to return it. They said it was broke and it was damaged. So the buyer sent over pictures. The camera USB port was broke. A couple things were rusty, which I thought I showed those in the pictures and I didn't. But the buyer was going to return it because the one camera didn't work. So I reached out to him and I said, okay. I said, that's fine. Go ahead, send it back. I'm just going to part it out and I'll sell it on what I can back on eBay. So the buyer asked me, hey, can we buy the hub off of you? One part of it. I said, sure. I said, I said, let me know what you'd like to do. The buyer was super cool. We worked it out. We ended up doing a partial refund to save him from sending it back to us, and ended up saving me more money because guess what? I didn't have to pay shipping back to me because it was broke. So there ended up being I don't know how I say it, a good ending to this one, even though we didn't lose money, but we didn't really make any money on it.
yeah, but it wasn't a complete loss. The buyer was happy, and as a seller, I'm happy also. This next item too is one of these items we totally forgot about. We've had it a while. This was an item that we got from a private pick that we did that one of our viewers reached out to us for. I really totally forgot about it, and it kind of, once it sold today, it made me start to think like maybe I should check my inventory more, because it might remind me on what's some of the stuff that's in the bins that I totally forget about. And I know MD Picker posted something on, I think it was on either Instagram or TikTok, about how often do you check your inventory. And I honestly was like, I really never do it. The only time I really do it is if I'm ending auctions and relisting them. So maybe that's something I should try to do better. But let's go get this item over here in the Baden bin. I can actually see it sticking out right there. So this is going to be perfect. Hopefully this will come out in one piece. But it is a flute or recorder. Flute recorder, whatever you want to call it. But it's a handmade wooden recorder flute made in Ecuador, which I think it actually says it somewhere. Oh yeah, right there. Made in Ecuador. It's actually sold for full asking price of $9.99 plus shipping. So super, super cool. It's a pretty neat piece. I don't know if it works though. I did not try to play it. So happy to see this go. But that's the end of this What's Sold video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys learned something that maybe in the future you can pick up and sell to make some money. And also be aware as a seller, if you haven't had a return yet, good chance are you will eventually. But it's the name of the game. So until next time, guys, remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking. Bye.